Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip easy guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and shred 2 cups of cooked chicken. Mix 1 block softened cream cheese, ½ cup ranch, ½ cup hot sauce, and 1 cup shredded cheddar until smooth. Fold in the chicken and transfer to a baking dish. Top with extra cheese and bake until bubbly and golden brown. Let rest 5 minutes before serving. Prepping ahead saves time and yields the best texture. Soften the cream cheese so it blends smoothly, and measure hot sauce to set the spice level you want. Shred the chicken into small pieces for even distribution and easy scooping. Combine ingredients in a bowl and taste a small spoonful to adjust seasoning. Use a sturdy baking dish so the dip heats evenly and stays warm longer on the table. Bake the dip until it bubbles and the cheese on top turns lightly golden for best flavor and presentation. While it bakes, arrange a variety of dippers so guests can choose salty, crunchy, or fresh options. Let the dip rest 5 minutes before serving to thicken slightly and avoid burns. Spoon into a warmed serving bowl if you want it to stay melty longer during your gathering or game day spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.